Sizzapp app tutorial: the future of vehicle security. To start using Sizzapp, download the application and open it. Enter your phone number, wait for the activation SMS and enter it. Press on the top left corner, enter your name, choose and save your profile picture. Press on the vehicle picture and enter your Sizzapp device email code. When the vehicle is added, you can enter its specification and picture on the vehicle settings. Now everything is ready, let's go through the main dashboard. Here you see a vehicle picture with 4 parameters: battery level, weather, online status and does it move or stop. Below that you see some more sections. Distance. Here Sizzapp shows the distance of your road today. Pressing on it, you see some more information about today's rides, such as driving time, stop time and idle time. Map. If you press on the map and press on the arrow below, you will see a calendar section where you can choose a date or an interval. For example, we choose this interval, press update button and wait a little. Then we will see all the rides that were made during the selected time interval. When you see your rides on the map, you can share them with friends via your social network profiles. Pressing share icon on the right top corner, there you choose the exact rides and choose if you want the address and speed to be shown. Then press the share button twice and choose where you want to share your rides. Many of you just make a screenshot, however, our sharing function is very easy to use. Give it and try it. Geozones. Geozones are virtual boundaries formed around a physical location. You can make any geozone and receive notification when entering or leaving it. It is often important for rental companies. Now let's speak about active drives. Here Sizzapp shows your driving style. Pressing on it, you see maximum acceleration, braking and your top speed during the day if you have a 2-wire device, and acceleration, braking and a hash turning if you have an OBD device. Notification. Here you can see new notification about what mattered the most to you. Now let's speak about my rates. Here you can invite your friends who also use Sizzapp to become friends and create collectivity rides. Organizer. Here you will be able to make important events for your bike, such as technical inspection, insurance, general maintenance and chain maintenance. Of course, you will receive notification about these upcoming events. Find. Pressing on the icon "Where is my bike?" you can see not only where your bike is, but also a route from your location to your vehicle. We can also see the settings icon on the top right corner. Language. You can choose between English, Russian and Latvian for now. Measurement. Here you can choose between metric and imperial system. Notification settings. Battery level, crash, hits, the device is unplugged or tuning. You can choose to receive push notification, SMS or both about things what matter the most. If you choose to receive SMS notification, the app will ask you to enter a phone number to receive them. If you leave field blank, the notification will be sent to a phone number that was used when you made your Sizzapp app profile. Geozone settings. In the Geozone section, you can see and manage all the Geozone you have created. Terms and conditions. If you want to get acquainted with them, just press on the section. FAQ. Here you can get the answer to all the most frequently asked questions by Sizzapp users. Contact us. In the contact form you can leave us a message if you have any question or want us to help you with any problem. We hope now you have all information about the Sizzapp application to use it successfully. Be safe and enjoy your ride with Sizzapp.